Mail merge is a great way to send mass mailings that appear to be personalized. You may have received such a letter in the mail, such as the ones telling you that you may be a winner of some contest. It looks like a letter sent directly to you, but it's probably taken from a database of hundreds of thousands. And we will demonstrate how that's done. You will start with your Word document, and you would have your database maybe in another Word document, maybe in an Excel file, most likely in a database like Microsoft Access. And you can merge to your printer, you could merge to documents, or you could merge directly to emails. In this demonstration, I will be using data from an Excel document. It's basically the names and emails of my coworkers. I'm going to start with my already typed form letter. Then we go to the Mailings tab. And in the Start Mail Merge group, I'm going to click on the Start Mail Merge command. And we'll start with letters. My next step is to choose my recipients. I'm going to click the drop down, and I'm going to choose Use an Existing List. And I save my list on my desktop. I'm going to click Open for the list. And if I had more than one sheet in my list, then those sheets will show, but I only have one sheet. I'm going to tell it OK. And now it has the information. So the next thing I'm going to do is Insert Merge field. And I want the title, Mr. or Ms., to go first. And then a space after the title, so I just press my space bar. And next, I want the first name, and then a space, and then the last name. And if I had any additional information like address, I could put that in the header as well. But now we have everything like we wanted. This information will be pulled from my data. I can go ahead over here to the Finish group. And before I print the documents, if I hit print, then they will all print with the name straight to the printer. But I'm going to click on Edit Individual Documents first. And I want all the records. There are about 8 or 9. I'm going to click OK. And as you can see, now it places the information from the spreadsheet. So the first letter here is one person. If we scroll down to the next letter, we'll see the next person. And so we have 8 form letters done, but they all look individualized. And this would be just as simple if we were sending out 1,000 letters. We can also merge to email. I've prepared a new letter that I'm going to send to my coworkers. So we'll go back to the Mailings tab. And in the Start Mail Merge group, we start Mail Merge again. And we'll do email messages this time. And we'll select recipients. Use an existing list. And we're using the same list I used before. I'm going to click Open. And OK. And I'll add a first name here. Insert Merge field. First name. And now it's ready to send. So I'm going to click Send Email Messages. And it automatically assumes that my email address is in my email field, which is part of the list. And in my subject line, I'm also going to say Test of Mail Merge. Please ignore. And I'll click OK. And now it should be sending the emails now. You can see it moving up here. So if I go to my email and check my sent items, I can see each individual email that was sent to my coworkers. So everyone gets the same email, but each one appears to be personalized. We can also use Mail Merge to create envelopes for mailing. I've gone back to my data and added some fake addresses. Now I will go back into Word, and once again in the Mailings tab, I'll click Start Merge, and this time we will merge to envelopes, and I can choose what type of envelope that I want to use. Once I have it chosen, I click OK, and once again I'll select recipients using the same list. And here would be the return address, but I'm going to go ahead down here to the mailing address, and I'll choose last name, space, first name, go to the next line, and I'll choose address from the fields and go to the next line, and I'll choose the city and state. And once I'm ready, I can click Finish and Merge. I'll do Edit Individual Documents and all the data. And now I have envelopes for each person. And I could have put a return address up here if I choose to.